Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the toe plate mounting clip. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to remove the toe plate if it's already in place. Easiest way to do that is to open up both doors, grasp the top of it, and pull it off. So just grasp the top of that toe plate, pull off either end. They just use an arrowhead fastener that fits into that clip. So we're just going to set that aside. So first of all, we'll need to remove what's left of the old clip. It's held in place with a rivet, so we're going to need to drill that out. So a cordless drill and about an 1/8 inch bit into the center of that rivet. Just enough to drill the rivet out. Be sure to knock the piece out from behind. Now with the new mounting clip, you can either rivet that in place or simply use a self-tapping screw. And now we're ready to put the kick plate back on. Now before we reinstall that toe plate, we'll want to inspect those arrowhead fasteners, make sure there's no damage to those. And if there is, you'll need to replace your toe plate. And we'll simply line it up with those mounting clips. And press it into place. We can then close up the refrigerator and your repair is complete.